In 2017, Samsung launched the S8, which was almost the perfect smartphone for that year. But there were some changes and improvements that must be made into the device. So in 2018, Samsung had launched an improved version of S8, or you can say the S9. Hey, what is up guys, Ashwath here, and in today's video we're gonna do unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I'm also gonna tell you how I got this device for free. So with that being said, let's get started. Starting with the unboxing of this phone, first you get a startup guide and a SIM ejector tool. Under that you get the device itself, and this thing is pretty awesome. For accessories you get the normal USB to USB Type-C OTG adapter, a fast charger and a fast charging supported cable. You also get these AKG's earphones and different earpieces for it. That was all with the unboxing guys, and now let's have a quick review on this smartphone. While this thing boots up, let's have a look on the body of the device. The back is completely made up of glass and it's gonna have a lot of fingerprints over there, so make sure that you apply a skin or a cover that supports wireless charging. The fingerprint sensor is also moved towards the bottom of the camera and it's now more easy to reach and use. On the front side of the device you get a 18:9 Quad HD display which Samsung calls the Infinity display. The power button and the Bixby button is located on the left side of the device and the volume rocker is on the right. Under the device you get the speaker and the microphone, a USB Type-C fast charger port, and thankfully a headphone jack. One of the coolest features about the S9 is its camera. You get a dual 12 megapixel camera with f1.5 to f2.4. Samsung has done a pretty nice job while making the changing aperture camera, so this can be handy while shooting at night or in low light conditions. The device is available in two different chipsets. One is the Exynos 9810 octa-core processor and another one is Snapdragon 845. You get 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB onboard storage that can be expandable up to 400 GB. The device comes with Android 8.0 Oreo with the skin of Samsung's UI, which I personally don't like. So that's all with the review guys, and now the main question, how I got this device for free. This device was brought from Canada, and there if you buy a new cellular connection, the telecom company provides you with a new device at a very low price. The device almost costed $150 Canadian, but after applying some promo codes and vouchers, I got it for free. So that's for today guys. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you love it, and share if you feel it.